These plants are tea plants that were cut, that were harvested yesterday. Tea plays a very important part in the Buddhist or meditative culture, or perhaps I should say spiritual culture of several countries such as China, Taiwan, Vietnam, Korea, and Japan. Tea also has a symbolic meaning. It also means spiritual attainment. These plants that are light green, they are yet to be cut. They must be very sensitive as they are covered. They need to be protected from the strong sunshine, from the ultraviolet light. The tea produced here will end up in tea shops around Japan, and it will be sold as Yame green tea. Yame is the name of this region.